Hello everyone, once again, welcome back to Manila Hype Life. Tonight we have a quick announcement, no? Quick lang to, quick lang. We'll do our best to make it quick. We are announcing that Manila Hype Life will be focusing on car culture and car-related contents, no? So, magiging focus na tayo dito sa channel na to, dito sa It's All About Cars, no? Kasi napag-aralan namin this past few months of handling Manila Hype Life, no? Mas naka-focus yung viewers natin, marami tayong viewers lalo sa mga puro about car topics, no? Car contents. So nandiyan yung mga viewers natin. So we decided na to make another channel. We call it MG Adventures, to separate our adventures, no? Yung mga road trips natin, events, restaurants, places, yan. We will be focusing on those topics in MG Adventures. So ngayon, Manila Hype Life will be focusing again in car culture, car-related contents like accessories, anything that relates car or car culture. Sa Manila Hype Life natin siya ilalagay. And a little twist, since marami tayong mga kaibigan na willing to support our channel, we will also be reviewing or vlogging or making a content about diecast cars, no? So yung mga, syempre marami tayong mga fellow car enthusiasts na nagko-collect din ng mga diecast, mga Hot Wheels, Tomica, GT Mini, and more. So marami. So ngayon, since it is also car related, i-connect din natin to sa channel na to, kasi it is mas marami talaga rin na nagko-collect na car enthusiast din. So yan, para at the same time meron tayong konting twist dito sa Manila Hype Life, no? So yan guys, we are really hoping you guys will continue to support us. Please support our new channel. Once again, it's MG Adventure. Manila Hype Life and MG Adventure will be under Marcos Media Production, no? So we put up a main production line para at least yun yung nag-handle sa Manila Hype Life. At the same time, yun na rin ang mag-handle sa MG Adventures. At least ma-separate natin yung mga contents natin na maayos at magkaroon tayo ng focus each channel, no? So again, Manila Hype Life will be focusing on car culture, car related, and car diecast, sa anything about cars. Yan, Manila Hype Life, no? Kung kayo naman gusto ninyo is more on about adventures, travel, restaurants, events, yan, please support and subscribe at MG Adventures. It's our new channel. Diyan natin lahat ilalagay yung contents and topics na yan, no? Mga food trip, yan, anything about adventure, no? So puro adventures yan. So yung mga mahilig mag road trip dyan at maglalabas, mag-adventure, mga restaurants, mahilig kumain, yan, focus tayo dyan sa MG Adventures. But again, if you guys are car enthusiasts who loves a person who loves cars, di ba? Even toys, car related na mga diecast, no? Please follow and subscribe at Manila Hype Life. Diyan natin ilalagay yung content na yan. Yon. So guys, once again, we are asking each and every one of you to hopefully support our channel, Manila Hype Life and MG Adventures for Adventures. And marami tayong gagawin, no? We're hoping and we are really going to do our best to make sure na makapagbigay kami ng magagandang videos and contents. Makapagbigay rin kami ng mga content na magiging knowledgeable, informative, marami kayong matututunan, hopefully. So gagawin namin, we're gonna do our best to promote fun, no? So more on fun talaga yung gagawin natin, even to our car culture, no? So sa Manila Hype Life, we'll be continuing to our series, our vlog for this Honda SIR, no? The search for the remaining Honda SIR Paddock 454. So dyan natin ifo-focus pa rin yan, continue pa rin na gagawin natin at hindi natin titigilan yan hanggat di na natin kompleto kung ilan na lang ang natitirang Honda SIR Paddock 454 sa Pilipinas, no? Kasi nga yun nga 3,000 lang ginawa niyan, and right now tingin namin nasa 1,000 na lang, no? more or less. So guys, once again, please support us. Please follow us, subscribe, like, and share videos if you can. Malaking tulong po yan sa amin, and we will really appreciate all of it. So guys, thank you again. Thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting our channels. Thank you sa mga viewers natin na nanonood pa rin, nagbabalik-balik. Salamat sa inyo, and I hope God's will, mapaganda pa natin tong channel na to. So guys, thank you again. God bless to everyone. Stay safe. Good night.